Action.
kurz.
Action.
Aber wie sieht es denn bei dir aus jetzt eigentlich? Aber wann hast du Zeit oder wie?
Whoa. Whose mic is that? Cut it off. All right, cool. All right, guys.
Okay.
I got a
Ja, warte mal, Felix, du hast deine Nummer, ne? Ja. Wir schreiben dir dann, okay?
That's Paulo, you need to mute your mic, bro.
Also, bis dann, ciao.
Got it. Okay. I cut you off, Paulo. So, anyways, guys, so Tuesday, I know I kind of surprised y'all with this. Like, oh, what the hell, man? We had the webinar so early. I got some things I got to address, okay? I hope everybody having a good Tuesday. You know, everybody's okay. Nobody lost a lot of money, which I hope you didn't, right? I hope no one forgot to use a stop loss on their trades. You know who I'm talking about. Okay. All right. Anyways, guys. Okay. So, first of all, okay, like I said, please, questions later, okay? So I'm going to go through the charts that I'm going to go first, and then we'll get the questions after, okay? So first of all, Euro GBP. All right. What the hell happened? Okay. Us, right? Well, in my point of view, this did a triple top level 3 coming from the bottom. Hold on. All right. Hold on. This was coming from an uptrend. So I was like, okay, man, you know, I got 3 pins here, and then price started dropping. And see how, hold on. Kind of new to this computer, so get a little, taking some time. But anyways, they anchored away, right? They anchored away about 50 pips, like I've taught y'all, right? 50 to 75 pips. So I was like, awesome, right? So my next move, which I had told y'all, was, okay, stop on high drop, right? I was expecting this. Briscoe, you were telling me to hold my sell limit around the water. I was like, yeah, all right, which I did. But here's the thing, though. They consolidated, and then you see your shadow box right here. This is what started getting me like, I don't think this is a drop anymore, because hold on, let me zoom in. Oops. Okay, so this didn't look like a drop to me, because I started noticing, price started trading above the water. So I'm like, what the hell? Not only that, but it never broke the mustard either. So this is when I was like, man, this does not look like a stop high drop, right? Remember, I have told you, okay, I'm going to talk about the Asian box one more time, so this won't happen again, okay? Well, actually, I'm going to say it right now. Do not take any more garbage trades inside the blue box. This is the last time I'll say it, okay? And this goes for me too, all right? Are you going to miss some good setups? Absolutely, man. You'll see them in hindsight. You're going to say, oh, man, that was a good M. And this occasion, this was a good W, right? So, okay. So you're going to be like, oh, so that was a good M or a W. I'll take it. Are you going to stay away from those the rest of your life? No. But if you're struggling, it is because you're taking everything that resembles an M or W without any criteria. And then you might get pissed at me saying, oh, Cash, man, it didn't work out, man. I'm going to curse you out for the rest of the day, which I assume, okay, I'm not saying you do, but I assume, okay? that why it's not paying out, right? The criteria, which I'm sure, hopefully I don't have to go over it again, right? Oh, here's a perfect example, by the way, right? 3 vectors out the Asian box, 1, 2, 3. However, this didn't give you an M, but you started seeing price slowly getting away, price trading below. So you could have probably taken that. But anyways, this is the criteria I talk about, right? The 3 vectors, scan for proper channel size. This was 15. The 3 vectors, the high, which was here also, the M. Okay. I don't want you to take these. You see this? This is not secure. You see how in the shadow box, you would have been like, oh man, yeah, it looks, the ADR, oh, actually, first of all here, ADR is blown out, man. Yeah, it has to short soon. Remember what I told you, that there's about, I think how many scenarios? I said like 2, that either they're going to keep on rising, they're going to consolidate, or they're going to rise a little and then, can you shut off your mic, please? Okay, thank you. All right. Or they're going to come back into the range, which was possibly somewhere around here. We expected this, right? Something like that. But it didn't give us any of this. So what do? We stay away and look for another pair to trade, okay? So this is Euro GBP. Now let's look at the freaking JPY pairs. Or let's look at GJ, actually. GJ's been on a rampage blowing accounts lately, okay? First of all, why the hell, if you're in this pair, why the hell would you want to trade this? Does this look like something I've taught you? It doesn't. I mean, there are some trades there, right? But I don't want you to take these. I've taught you second leg M's and W's. Okay? This pair is ranging. This pair is collecting, inducing traders. You see how they trapped these guys here. They trapped all these guys. Now they trap these guys. Now they're shifting. They're probably going to consolidate, end the day like that, right? Do not trade these pairs when they're doing this, please. All right. Okay. Let's look at GBP USD now. Let's see. Okay, we got more people in here. Let's see. iPhone. Yeah, I don't want to reveal you guys' names. Hey, Tristan, we're about to talk about you right now. So Tristan showed me a chart that GBP USD was still bullish. And I agreed with him. Why? Because, let's see. Whose phone is that? Okay, awesome. Thanks. All right, anyways. I was expecting this, the anchor point of the week, because price has been dropping, right? 1 day, 2 days, right? I've taught you 3 levels of rise, 3 levels of drop, 3 days, three rises, 3 falls, right? Okay. So we were like, okay, man, look, I'll see all these pins, bro. Rorschach's got the hell out of there. Again here, okay, this looks good to go. So we were expecting 2.5 to 3 days of rise, right? You started noticing price was trading above, above your water. It looked good to go. However, whoa.
Yeah, mute your mic.
Looks okay. Cool. All right. So we were expecting this, right? Rise. We're expecting rise. Okay, so Tristan, I don't blame you, buddy. I was with you. I was thinking the same. Man. Okay, so whoever got these wrongs, GU, I understand. Everything was lined up. However, price started slowly going down. And right here into the Mayo, it pinned Mayo. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this was around the news time. Somewhere around here. So most of us were expecting hold on. We're expecting stop, hunt, low, rise, right? The cycle. Yeah, it's all right, Tristan. No, it's all good, buddy. I was with you too anyways, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. It happens. Mistakes happen. I'm going to talk about a few other things, though. Okay? So we were expecting this as a group, right? Anybody else agree, right? Because the anchor point was here. Price has been dropping for 2.5 days. We were expecting this for the news, right? Remember, the news is garbage. Complete the pattern. But the problem here was that, so let's just say this was the news, somewhere around here. Excuse me. Your stop loss has to be here always, right? I've talked about how many pips it has to be, okay?
23 pips.
Yeah, on the reversals, but on, you know what? On straightaways, I might have to change that though, because straightaways are usually trades that just take off, right? I'll have to think of something, but straightaways is this one. This is a straightaway right here. This is a straightaway. You see how if you would have sold here, you could have got a 15 pip stop loss, or you can use your moving average somewhere around here. So somewhere around here is 23 pips, which is fine, which you can use, okay? But if you're more confident, you can have a tighter stop loss though, okay? But yes, you're right, Briscoe. It should be 23 pips. Okay, so anyways, you saw this and you got faked out here. There's nothing indicating that this was a reversal. I hope nobody took this, by the way. Right? I think someone did, and I think someone was still holding. And I hope you closed, by the way. But okay. Shifted the zone. Got the hell out of there. Burst through the low. The ADR was busted. I've taught you once it does this, right? I've told you either it will correct, either it will consolidate, or it'll still keep pushing. Why? I cannot give you a direct answer. The market maker does whatever the hell he wants. As you can see, he did whatever the hell he wanted. We were expecting this. He said, nah, just kidding. Let me show you what we can really do. Stopped all of us out, shifted the zone. Now it's here. Okay? This proves, okay, one more time, I'll say it again. This proves that you must first see his behavior, and based off of his behavior, you react to it. Okay? You react to it, all right? We are past the stage of retail traders. All right? We are not retail traders no more. Okay? We are trying to trade in line with the market maker. We are not retail traders no more. You guys have proven me enough that you guys aren't falling for this kind of shit right here, right? The buy stops and sell stops. Excuse my French. All right? We're past this. Okay? Anyways. So another thing I got to talk about. The second leg, M's and W's, all right? Which I did not talk about last time real quick, okay? I don't want you guessing, okay? Until the second leg fails to break the high, you are guessing. You are guessing until the dealer locks the high or locks the low of the day after the stop hunt. So what do you mean, Cash? What I mean is if they do 3 vectors to the high here, as an instance, as I'm drawing to you, let me zoom in real quick because some of y'all are on the phone, so y'all might not see this. So hold on. Okay. Oh, darn. Oh, this computer. Okay, here. Okay, the 3 vectors, right? Wow. Freaking sorry. Okay, so the 3 vectors I've talked about, right? Out the Asian box, you scanned everything, so on and so forth. Okay, they do this. If the dealer doesn't lock this in, you are guessing. I've told you, we are not in the 50-50 business. If the dealer comes and does some crap like this, forget about it and scratch yourself out. If you got in, take your loss, okay? I've told you how much is the stop loss, okay? 23, you can use an 18 pip stop loss, 23 to be secure. If you see this, though, and your stop loss hasn't hit, which I'll say it again, don't sit there like a donkey and take the 23 hit. And don't sit there without a stop loss either and take a minus 230. It's going to take you a whole week to get that back. All right? Take your stop, and if he does this again, you hit him again. You hit him again. If he gives you another M, you hit him again too. I've told you, do not be scared of this, guys. They're not so magical. They're not magical. Okay? All right. Let's look at another chart real quick. I don't see. Okay, so yeah, I don't trade gold. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, so I had one of my students ask me, "Oh, Cash. So how come UCAD was still bullish, right? I had said on Sunday it was still bullish. Why though? Why? Because they anchored in on a Thursday from last week, right? If you can identify the anchor point, and I was telling the student, if you would have identified this and you seen this stop hunt and then this not vector, but this railroad tracks on the water, and you see prices getting out from this area, this is a potential swing trade. This one would have been for you, Sile, by the way. If you would have held, identify this area, you would have won, right? Day 1, rise. Day 2, rise. Okay? And day 3, well, hopefully I'm not skipping any days, but day 3, right? Or 3.5 if I'm skipping one. But you get the point, right? Sile, if you would have seen this, by the way, because I know you want to be one of my swing traders, right? I told you once they start locking this in as an M, you get out, man. Your total profit pips with a 10 cent, let's just say 20 cent. You could have caught it here, if anything. You would have booked yourself a good 109, almost 200 pips, man. Easily. Easy. Easy, okay? Easy. So, but this is that, okay? This happened. Looks like they reset it here. Looks like they're going to reset. As you can see, price is still trading. It's still going up, rising nonstop. So, okay, Cash, so what's the next move? What is the next move? What is he going to do now? That's a very good question, actually. You know what I think, what I believe, not think. What I believe they're going to do? It's, what time is it? It's 1:35. I expect them to do consolidate. And because it did such an aggressive move, possibly for the Asian session, they may correct just to get the late buyers. Right, I've told you that before, that when they don't have enough of the herd piled up, they're gonna be like, man, you know, I'm not getting enough enough of shorts. So you know what? I'm gonna break the ADR. I'm gonna show them long. And once the retail traders believe it's long, they're going to put the brakes and correct. All right. Okay, so here, real important. I'm going to talk about this right now. Okay. On UCAT here, let me zoom in. Okay. So what the hell happened here, Cash? Everything looked good, man. I scanned for the proper channel size. It was 26. I scanned for the vectors. You've taught me that is not always 3. Sometimes it's 5. Sometimes it's 20 candles. Okay? All right, so they did this. All right? Your TDI also got out to prove to you this was a stop hunt. Okay? So, why didn't it work out, Cash? Look, and they threw the pins. The timing element was here. I took it right here, and I saw this, and then price started rising, and I got stopped out. What happened, Cash? What did I do wrong? Oh, and by the way, your high was here. What did I do wrong? Okay. If you got stopped out and you got everything right, I don't blame you, man. Okay? Don't beat yourself, man. I've told you, I think, what was it, like 5 webinars ago? If you have everything lined up and what I've taught you and you still get stopped out or price goes here, forget it. I've told you the pattern. If it fails, it fails. Okay? I told you this already. Okay, if you get stopped out, fine. What's the big deal? You have a stop loss. It's not like you're gonna take it and then you're just gonna let it ride. That's what a stop loss is for, right? Okay? Take your small scratch, your small loss, and move on. And move on. All right? All right. Let's look at oh, we got more people in here now. Let's see. Okay. All right. Anyways, let's look at AUD now. AUD USD. Whoa. Massive. Okay. AUD USD. So for this one, okay, so here on this one, actually, I took it short, but because I knew the anchor point was on Thursday, right? Okay, let me zoom out so you can see what I'm talking about. This one I had no problems with, but see how, remember this trade? I know some of y'all took it. I don't know if Julian, if you're here, buddy. I remember you took this trade with me. Very good job, man. Very good job. This could have been converted into a swing trade. I'm going to call it the SaiyanZ swing trade, but actually. Yeah. Okay. If you yeah. If you could have converted this into a SaiyanZ swing trade, why? All right. The anchor point was established on a Thursday. Price is trading below your moving average is very important. What are the features in a downtrend? I've told you. Price trading below your moving averages. All right. That's one. Okay. Oh, let's see. But what do you mean with that? What is that? Bro, what do you mean with anchor point? What? Okay, Pablo. Don't worry about that, man. Once you watch my videos, which I hope you have started with. Oh no. Okay, it's about to end. Okay, I'll make another one. But okay, anyways, the anchor point. What I mean by that is like mostly every week they make a new anchor point, Pablo. So long story short, this is where you can convert your trades into a swing trade, buddy. But watch my videos, day 1 through 3, and the rest, and you'll know what I mean. Okay. The reason why I wanted you guys and I wanted you to get on this mandatory webinar is because I wanted everybody to let everybody know what's going on. And I got more stuff. I'm going to give out some more advice and so on advice. Okay. So just stick with me, buddy. Okay. Don't worry about the anchor point right now. Okay. All right. Let's see, man. How do I get this off? Oh, okay. Okay. Anchor point, right? Okay. So this was I expected this. So this one was no problem, right? I hope nobody was thinking long here. I hope nobody was thinking long on this one. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Sure. No problem. No. Sure thing, man. Okay. Darn. Man, this computer's giving me a headache. Okay. So anchor point, right? You could have bagged. I don't know if you would have caught it here and still held for 2.5, 3 days. You could have easily bagged about, what is this, 180 pips. And if you know this was another stop on high drop, if you would have held to right now 225 pips with $1 lot, that's $2,500 in your pocket in 3 days. Okay. Anyways, here, the same scenario. Oh, whoa. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Did anyone get knocked off the web? Whoa. Hold on, guys. Hey, Brandon. Wait. Wow. Hold on. Get him. Yeah, you see that too, Celia. He got knocked off. I don't know what happened there. Give me a sec, guys. Okay, well, I guess while he gets in, well, I'll continue, okay? I'll have this recorded anyways. Okay. So, here. Oh, let me get some of this off, by the way. This looks like everything that I've taught you here also. Okay? And then you say, oh, I'm going to see here. Oh, I could draw a trend line here and price bounced off of here. Your low is here. you know, I got this. Here in this occasion, because you knew they had anchored in since that day, you still expect drop. Okay? This is very unlikely to give you a overall trend change. Okay? Write that down if you want. Okay. This box here, for it to be an overall trend change, what I mean by that is that this whole downtrend turns into an uptrend. It is very unlikely for this to happen here. Okay? So if you count the levels, which I've said, guys, if you're having a very a very difficult time counting them, please forget about them. Forget about them. But I thought they're important. That's the last thing you need to worry about. Identify the pattern first. Trust me. Which is MAAW and WVVM. I think I sound like a freaking tape recorder already. Right? So here, if you do the level counts, though, this is level 1. This is level 1, right? I've told you, if you have a good idea of the levels, I've told you, do not counter trend trade here. Do not counter trend trade. I don't give a damn what this box does. Do not counter trend trade. So, anyways, you got in, right? And you booked profit. Okay, ADR was busted already by this time here. You would have booked your profit somewhere around here, right? The trade is over when it goes into consolidation, right? It's already kind of choppy like this. And also, to give you a heads up, again, the market maker can do whatever the hell he wants, man. He can move the pair when he feels like it, okay? Just because you're in this trade, oh, damn, it's like a kindergarten art. Just because you're in this trade, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to move. He doesn't give a damn you're in that trade. He moves it when he feels like it, when the money is built up for him. Not because you got to go to work or you got to go to sleep. He does what he feels like doing. Okay? Need you to understand that. So when they're holding the level, so example, look at Euro. What the hell is it doing? What I'm telling you, what I just told you. If you're in this trade here as a long, and you're here, oh man, I only got 4 hours to trade, man. You know, I got to get the kids up. I got to take them to school. I got to give them a sandwich. I got to put them in the bus, right? Time is our barrier. It is not theirs. Okay? So if you're limited to time, what I can suggest you to do after you've gone through what my training and you got a very bright idea from this method, you can start swing trading. And I've already told you the scenarios. Oh darn, guys! I'm gonna make a new Zoom. I got like 2 minutes left. I'll be back. Guys. I'll give you the call right now.